problem step by step. We need to find the limit as x approaches infinity of the square root of x squared plus 2x minus x. This is what we call an indeterminate form. If we try to evaluate this directly, we get infinity minus infinity, which is indeterminate. To solve this, we'll use a strategy called rationalizing the numerator by multiplying and dividing by the conjugate. The conjugate will be the square root of x squared plus 2x plus x. We multiply both numerator and denominator by this conjugate. Remember, when we multiply by a fraction equal to 1, we don't change the value of the expression. Now, in the numerator, we multiply these terms using the difference of squares formula, a squared minus b squared. The denominator stays the same. Let's simplify the numerator. The square root squared cancels out, giving us x squared plus 2x minus x squared, which simplifies to 2x. Now let's factor out x from under the square root in the denominator. We can rewrite this as x times the square root of 1 plus 2 over x. We can now cancel 1x from the numerator and denominator. Now, as x approaches infinity, 2 over x approaches 0. So the square root of 1 plus 2 over x approaches the square root of 1, which is just 1. Therefore, the limit as x approaches infinity of the square root of x squared plus 2x minus x equals 1. Let's review the key steps we used. First, we identified this was an indeterminate form. Then, we used the conjugate to rationalize. Next, we simplified using difference of squares. Finally, we evaluated the limit as x approached infinity.